Here's how to turn on Instagram blend mode in mobile. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can turn on the Instagram blend feature. The first thing you want to do is launch open the Instagram app. Make sure that you're using the latest version of the app. To check, you can simply head over to Play Store or App Store. Now you want to tap on the search bar. Here you want to search Instagram. Now if you find the update option, tap on that and update the app to the latest version. After updating the app, launch it open. Now tap on the chat icon. Here open up any conversation where you want to turn on the blend mode. Now at the top you will find this icon. Go ahead and tap on that. This is going to invite your friend to blend. Now tap on the invite option. Now the other person has to accept your blend request. Once the request has been accepted, a customized collection of reels based on your preferences will be shown. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.